Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how to install and register Discord on mobile. Uh, I'm going to show it from my emulator. You can download Discord using apps on iOS on App Store and for Android devices from Google Play Store or any other stores. You can download it, or you can download the Discord APK from uh, uh, any other site and install it to your mobile device. uh, when you install it, you can get this window. Then you have to, if you are new to Discord, you can register from tapping this button. Already you have a account, you can uh, tap login and uh, select your username, password, then log. um, in this time we are going to register. How to register? You can register for Discord using your email or phone number. After registering, you can enter your password, email and phone number both to your user profile. In this time I am using a random email. uh, you have to use your permanent email to this one. And next, uh, you have to now you can enter a username to your Discord account. It can be your own username or those your gaming clan admins uh, suggestion, or your own username, own like. uh, but after creating account, you can also change your username into another username. It's okay. uh, to this time I'm using this one. Then you have to enter a strong password. Strong means you can use numbers, lowercase, uppercase, not letters, and uh, at hash characters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, those symbols. And um, numbers. Then click next. Now you have to enter your date of birth. uh, if you if your birth if your age is lower to 13, you can't register for this one. Only 13 or above members can use Discord. Also, you can't you join to esport gaming clan. If you 14 or above, only 14 or above members can join to esport gaming clans. In my clan also that a rule. I am a knight assassin, and only 14 or above members can join to our clan. It's an optional one. Then tap create an account. You have to verify captcha. Tap verify button. Then create in your account. I don't that is why I use wrong details, then I can't create it. Now I show how to log in to Discord. When you create Discord account from registration, uh, you directly going into the Discord. No using not using login. Now I'm going to log to my Discord. This is not my one. Now you can see my server, my SSRG boy Discord server. Those are your joined servers. For new members, you haven't joined in when joined not joined to server. Only you can see this one and this one. This is add server button. This is your messages. You can message or get calls also. That's to this video. Yeah, and in next video I'm hope to show the app settings, and in another video I'm going to show how to create a server, how to join a server. That's all, and thank you to watching my video, and for support to my channel. I'm SL Sachi boy. Share my this video to who want to know about Discord, how to create Discord, and for support, subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get uh, notification when I upload the video to my channel. Also subscribe to our clan YouTube. It's NASS TV. It is in the description. And thank you for watching the video.